you know what you are spreading, little girl?
No, I'm not spreading everything. My mum always tells me to cough in my
Zoe, I
hand.
didn't tell you to the thing, so you're not supposed to say that.
She is.
Oh. Well, you're spreading germs, and you're not supposed to cough in your hand, because that's spreading germs when you touch other things, and then in your school, they can touch other things, and they can get the same germs as you. That's why you should do the Dracula Cough.
What's
Alright.
the Dracula cough?
The Dracula Cough is when you cough into your elbow, and then when you don't cough into your hand, you won't be able to spread germs. You keep your germs inside you instead of spreading it. Don't.
Thank you. Thank you, Dracula.
You're welcome. Not gonna bite you.
Remember, do the Dracula cough. Zoe and Oliver, that motherfucker school. Remember, spread funkiness and coolness, not sickness.